Follow these steps to add Facebook page link in TikTok bio. First, launch your Facebook app. Now navigate to your Facebook page. You'll be directed to the home page. Now click on the profile icon given at the top left. Now click on three dots. Scroll all the way down, click on the option Your Page Link. Once you have copied the page link, close this, launch your TikTok app. You'll be directed to home page. Now navigate to the profile page. Click on the option Edit Profile. Now over here you'll find the option of links. Clicking on that, you're gonna get two options to add link of Instagram account and YouTube. But you won't get the option to add the link of Facebook. So what I have to do is head back, click on the option bio, and over here you can paste that link. Click on save. Now you can head back to your profile page. In your profile page, the Facebook page link will appear. At the moment, in this way, you are able to add Facebook page link in TikTok bio. If in the future TikTok comes up with the feature to add Facebook page link as well, I'm gonna definitely update you guys. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.